guys! For this video we will draw and color a pizza. Pizza is a globally loved dish originating from Naples, Italy. It typically consists of a dough base topped with tomato sauce, cheese, and various toppings like meats, vegetables, and herbs. Over time, it has evolved into many different styles, each with unique characteristics. Pizza can be made in many creative ways with endless combinations of ingredients and can be cooked in different ovens like wood-fired, gas, or electric. It's versatile and can be enjoyed in formal dining, takeout, or even homemade. Whether you like it traditional or experimental, pizza remains a universally beloved comfort food. Done. See you in our next video.